Good afternoon to everyone. This is Perfect Plumbing Service once again. Yes, we are back on site. So, Osha Ejuma we are. Your Assyria 5 bathroom, a sort of 5 bathroom with 2 kitchens, apartment. If you are basically very layout, now we are gonna come. So, Osha, we 4 inches, we 6 inches. Mind you, say we took pressure pipes in the day, Juma Bia. Essentially, Interplus and one a day, Juma. Yes, it's actually PPR now. We Interplus. Yes, what I say. That's a 1 inch pipe for the supply line. So let's go. So we have been laying all our rakes and toilet here. So we are canning united boom one by one. And quality works assured. And quality works assured. We would say we are the yes I emergency tip in case you say yeah, will be maybe around that or be who say plumbing for pipes blue and I be bisa. That's the reason why they were this one. So okay, lay a pipes, very nice. Very nice work. As quality works assured. Way clean out in case of anything they are not made actually no way you feel so yes that's how they work it as I said perfect plumbing service as I said about plumbing work gas work in kwan there obi ani ho obetimi ani adwuma plumbing and gas bia quality work assured asanso ye nationwide Kumasi yes the boga we so US no the adwuma we there share yen what I say quality works from I say yeah 6 inches why back in case of anything biana as which may you are no do more. Mine is a sloping very sharp. What I say, sloping a bit nice. So what I say, very nice. So a very nice sloping. What I say, and I was standing pipe back. Mine is a standing pipe near 2 back also and the starting back in case of say or mom this side be you back and other side for you back. How the quality tank be see because of there you know what I say into and position but the best position that's a place that stand by the bone what the best position yeah probably a manhole there yes that's perfect plumbing service a band plumbing work require their matter only problem what I say only problem that's it gas work and the idea be a for plumbing hold there master manhole in to how they set tank in the wall. By the grace of God, the near sloping come on. That's what I said. I say the reason why you see Ben they say no kitchen porch and any option be I say be use to bend and I mind say why on the chair in between 14 feet. That's what I said. In between 14 feet. A sharp ecosi. They say no problem be what I said. It is also had a very reduced by 6 inches. That's what I said. 6 inches in there, 4. Wasting the idea, Pia Bonten. What I say? Yes. Don't feel lady Pia. Caution table so that's so nicely. Yes, I don't do anything. I man who you knew how they be. What my got that I said, the waste there. So this is the building now. I have what you might Kumasi. Yes, you better ring that in a human dear massa. Who my mounts robbery? And Yakasa say, and Yakasa. Say, be our new be him say, you might once and for all, and quality works are they assured. What I say, only problem be very nice. To do here, you may be a plumbing work, gas work, in so what you may be there, quality works assured. And as I said, they be our contact perfect plumbing service. I'm like it. I mean, Shilamuna, no, you will be a Bye bye.